On-call imaging is located in Rock Falls, Illinois. On-call's here really for the community. And what we wanted to do is bring state-of-the-art equipment to the community at an affordable price. We have a lot of Fuji equipment, Fuji ultrasound, Fuji mammo, Fuji 1.5 MR, a Fuji CT. Quality of image is good and the value is good. You're basically getting all the components that you need with one company. I've done this for over 40 some years. This is probably the most excited I've been since I started my career. I feel like it's fulfilling not only a personal mission, but it's a mission for the community. Browns, their service is extremely good. It's like working with another family, so it's been extremely easy to work with. If we have an issue, we talk to the owner of the company. We're not going through different layers and everything. We go straight to the top if we need to, which we really haven't needed to because usually everything is taken care of at a lower level.